The law is a system in which everyone has the right to representation. It's never a good idea to represent yourself if you're not an attorney. You can never know what we know on a daily basis, how the insurance companies operate. The lowball offers, the quick, we'd like to get a statement from you if we can, the way that the questions are asked. They're looking for you to blame yourself for the accident. Lawyers will help you with all these things. Lawyers will advise you.
The insurance company is going to know whether or not you have experience dealing with personal injury actions, and they're going to take advantage of that if they know somebody doesn't have experience.
A lot of times these cases where you think they're simple, they're not. They turn out to be complicated. And if you don't have an experienced attorney behind you who knows what they're doing, who's done it before, then you're not going to get what you deserve.